Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the personal hotspot not working issue on any Android device. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Method 1. Quick airplane mode trick. Step 1. Open the control center on your Android device. Now turn on airplane mode. Wait for about 30 seconds and then turn airplane mode off. After that, turn on your hotspot and check if it's working. If it's working, great, you are good to go. But if not, don't worry. Let's move on to the second method. Method 2. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and tap on System. Now find and select Reset Options or Reset Phone. This may vary depend on your device. Next, tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth or simply Reset Network Settings. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Go ahead and confirm by tapping Reset Settings. You will be asked to enter your device pattern or PIN, so just do that to proceed. So guys, this will reset all your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings, but don't worry, your personal data will stay safe. Once that's done, turn on your hotspot again and check if it's working now. In most cases, this method should fix the problem. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.